Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can install MinGW for compiling your C and C++ programs. So let's get started. First, go to this URL. I'll have this in the description below. You can copy it from there, or you can just click it and this page will be opening. And once you have this website open, just click on this download button. So the setup is now downloaded. Now just click on open file or double click from your download folder and it will open. And this is the installer. Click on install and leave these as it is. Just click on continue. And now it is downloading the required files. Once this is complete, click on continue. And this installation manager will open. Now on the list, we need to install this base. And click on mark for installation. And we need this G++. Again, click on this and click mark for installation. So once we have these two open, we can run C and C++. So other things are for other languages. As you can see, this is for ADA, this is for Fortran, and so on. And after you have selected these two, just click on installation and click on apply changes. And the installation will start after you click on apply. So as you can see, the installation for C and C++ compiler has started. So as you can see, all the changes were applied successfully. Now you can close this dialog. So click on close, and you can close this too, and you can close your browser too. Now go to your C drive here, and you will see this MinGW folder is being created here. Go inside this, and there's a bin here. Go inside this and copy this path so that we can run C and C++ from our terminal, and we can compile C code or C++ code from terminal. Now press your Windows key and search for environment variables. This, you can type full thing here, variables, and click on this. Click on environment variables, and here click on path and click on edit, and here at the bottom paste what we have just copied. Click OK. Click OK again, click OK, and now we can open terminal or command prompt, and let's check if GCC or MinGW is successfully installed. So you can type G++ --version, and as you can see, MinGW version 6.3.0 is now installed. And now you can compile C and C++ code. Let's see how we can do it. First, let me close this, and let's quickly create a new folder so that we can test it out. Test C. Here, let's create a new text document. Let's call it main.c, and now I'll just open it with Notepad or some other IDE, whatever you want, and let's write some C code here. Let's write a simple hello world program here. Click save, and now you can open command prompt in this directory by typing cmd here in your address bar, and as you can see, our command prompt is open here. And now you can just type gcc and main.c, hit enter, and your compilation is complete. And if you go back here and reload this, as you can see, an a.exe file is created. Now we can run .exe file like this, hit enter, and as you can see, hello world is printed. So we have successfully installed C and C++ compiler. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.